What's up everybody, welcome to Buzzy Games. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a collector for your dropper. So in our previous videos we made a dropper, we have our conveyor belt, and last but not least we just need a collector to collect our parts that drop from the dropper. Alright, so first things first, we're going to go ahead and grab a part. I'm going to make it a little bright, a little neon, just to signify that this is the dropper. So you don't have to make it as bright as me, but this is just personal preference and I like to make things pretty glowy. And then once we have that part done, we're going to go ahead and rename this part to Cell Zone. And then make sure to have this part inside of our dropper model. Next thing you want to do is add a script inside of server script service. So we're going to go ahead and create our leader stats value that will count the amount of money that is collected anytime the collector collects the parts that drops into the collector. And this value is going to show up on our screen later when we hop onto our game. Add one more line of code inside of our dropper script, which is drop.name equals drop, and that's all we're going to do for this script. So inside of our dropper model, we're going to add a string value, and then we'll be renaming that to owner. So we're going to reference the string value in just a second in our switch script. We're going to add one line of code inside of the switch script, which is dropper.owner.value equals player.name. So essentially this dropper is going to belong to the player that turns on and off the switch. We'll be adding one more script inside of our cell zone part. So first thing we have is our variables here, and now we're going to create a function where if the other part.name equals drop, so the part that is dropped onto our conveyor belt and into our collector, then it's going to get destroyed. So once it's destroyed, then the leader stats value is going to increase by 1. So for any part that drops into the collector, then our leader stats or money value is going to increase by 1. So you can change this, the value of how much you want for each part to amount to anything you want, but I'll just set it to 1. So let's go ahead and hop back onto the game and see if it works. Okay, so it is collecting, but the leader stats value isn't updating. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and find the error real quick. Okay, so it seems like I put a period instead of a colon. I'm gonna go ahead and change that, and it should work right after this fix. Didn't you just hate those little mistakes that happen here and there? Alright, so hopping back onto our game, I'm gonna turn on our dropper, and let's see. And there you go, you'll see that in the leader stats value, the money value is increasing after each time the collector collects the drops. And there you go, you have made your collector. So come join our Discord for all Roblox content. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed our content. As always, stay tuned for the next video and have fun creating. Bye!